My name is Noibullah. I am a student of Leo Beginner.
My name is Rahmatullah. I am student of beginner.
My name is Jamaluddin. I read in beginner class.
My name is Abdul Shakur. I read beginner class.
My name is Muhibullah. I read beginner class.
My name is Sabir Ahmad. I read in beginner class.
The project I am going on to explain with my fellows is Army cargo aircraft. Dear viewers, everyone around the world knows that aircraft plays most important role in any state. Somehow, let's talk about our project. My first question is from Mr. Jawad Khan. Can you give me some information about this Army cargo aircraft?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Jamaldeen from Quest English Language Center, and thanks to this center for giving us great chances to talk on its stage. So today on the project in front of you is about Army cargo plane, a military transport aircraft. Military cargo aircraft or airlifter is a military on transport aircraft used to support military operations by airlifting troops, and military are also given. They are also often diverted to civilian emergency relief missions by transporting humanitarian aids. Thanks everyone.
My second question is from Mr. Ahmad Khan. Yes, Mr. Ahmad Khan, share your points. When it was invented, who invented?
Assalamu alaikum. I hope all are doing well and most welcome to our project. For your kind information, on December 1793, Wilbur and Orville Wright made 4 brief flights at Kitty Hawk with their first powered aircraft. The Wright brothers had invented the first successful airplane. You are welcome.
My next question is from Mr. Shakur Khan. How far can it fly?
Assalamu alaikum all my friends. It can fly till 5,300 miles with full load of 125 tons. It helps us a lot.
My next question is from Mr. Muhib Khan. Can the cargo size, what is?
Assalamu alaikum all friends. The total size from all angles of this cargo plane. It is 65 feet tall and 247 feet long, and with a wingspan is 223 feet. It is considered to be the largest cargo plane. Thanks.
Our last candidate is Mr. Shabir Khan. Can tires be punctured?
Welcome to our group's project. No, they are not explodable at all while landing because they are pumped.
That's a lot. Thank all of you.